You're getting 2, 3, 4. Now this is our final quantities. There is no reorder and it's from Temp-tations. This is the classic pattern on the wooden handle. So you're getting Old World and floral lace there. But the rest of it is metal. These are in time for barbecue season. These are also $31.47 for all 4. We only have about 800 sets remaining. Each, they're $7.87, and you get 2, 3, 4. You get all 4. How cool is that? Let's talk about it with Lisa Lasort. And the fact that this is a no reorder situation means that we're here just in time. Lisa, I think these are so cool. And I love the fact that it's a basket, not just a traditional skewer.
We designed at Temp-tations. Tara Tesher, who is the designer and the CEO, always makes sure that there's innovation and versatility. So we've all used these before. These are those like wooden skewers that you have to soak before you put food on them because they will actually catch on fire if you don't. So, you're putting wood on a grill, it doesn't actually make a whole lot, it becomes firewood, that kind of stuff. So, and the thing is, these fall through the grates, that you end up with splintered wood in your food. So this is just a better mousetrap that you can reuse a time and time again. So we think of them as a grill essential. First of all, let's talk about construction. This is bamboo wood right here. We added some detail that Tara always does with just some beautiful burnished into the pattern, Old World and floral lace. So it will never come off. It's stunning. Up at the top right here is where you can hang it from the side of your grill if you want to, so that it's always on the ready right there. And then, Mary, as you come down to the construction of the basket, you're going to see that, first of all, it's that powder-coated steel. So it's already naturally non-stick, but it's 11 inches that you can put food in, 11 inches, and then it's just over an inch deep. Yes, it has that great locking mechanism right there, so it's easy open, easy close, but no longer will you be getting your tongs fishing through to get the shrimp that fell to the bottom of the grill.
This is how, Lisa, I'm hungry when I start simulating a kielbasa with my QVC 2 card.
I was wondering
I'll be
what's
fine.
going on over there.
Yeah, I know, it's pathetic. But I like how easy they are to open.
Yeah, so easy to open. And Mary, I want to talk about capacity. Like, I have 4 different ways that you can use it here. From putting in, you can do everything from, of course, like hot dogs and kielbasa and things like that. But we also have, look at our like close-up picture right here. We actually have shrimp right here. So when you see, look at how much we have here. We have shrimp, we have zucchini, we have tomatoes, we have peppers. So instead of putting that onto this traditional skewer like we're used to, everything is in the basket right there. And then all I'm going to do is lift this up, and here we go. I'm ready to go. Ooh. And I can just now place that right on my plate. So it's so easy. Here we did some great grilled fruit. So we have watermelon, we have pineapple. Then we can now drizzle some balsamic right on top of there. Look how amazing this is right here. Doesn't that just look fantastic? And again, from here to here is 11 inches. That's a lot of food that you can put in there. So you can serve 1, 2, or you can serve many, many more. And here's my favorite, the corn on the cob, and I'm literally gonna tip it over so that you can see it. Ooh. Look how awesome that is. And then of course we have our potatoes and our onions. So there's so many ways that you can use this. Look at that, and you can see it's naturally non-stick. So I just wanna show you, this is how it's going to slide out. So easy breezy. And then I can literally just put it right here into, there we go, right into my pasta.
So cool. That is so cool. I would stack up scallops in here. You could cook shrimp in here. I mean, seeing your demonstrations has gotten me all inspired. But we're getting 1, 2. Hold on. Let's see if she can do it without, breaking her own nose. Hang on. 4. There we go. So you get all 4 of the tiny cricket bats for your use at home. It looks like a little cricket. Nobody here plays cricket. That's fine. But they're metal and wood, so that means I can easily hand wash and reuse.
That's exactly right. And it's essentials in the kitchen. What are they? They're things that you reach for all the time. Well, grilling season is here. And for some of us, grilling season is all year long. I have it using it on my indoor grill. You can use it on your outdoor grill. Here's the only thing, of course, you're going to want to make sure.
Okay.
Make sure that this wood part, when you put it on any grill,
Fair.
is away from the flame. And then that way, you might need to use a glove. You might not. I didn't right now. I have this on warm, however. But now you see how my hand is away from the grill, away from the flame. I'm not trying to pick up skewers because if I have something on here, I'm kind of like,
Oh
how
my
do I get
gosh, yeah.
this
And
off the
I
grill?
break those
Right?
every time.
All the time, all the time. This is just a better mousetrap. You get all four, and you will never have to buy a wooden or just a plain metal skewer again because these are decorative. They hang, easy to wash, great construction.
And they're $7.87 a piece.
Yes.
$7.87 a piece. Now there are fewer than 700 to go around. So three easy payments are available on them, $10.49. I also think too, Lisa, this size is perfect for folks who are trying to grill for one or two at a time. But because you get four, it's also great for a crowd. So very rare to find barbecue tools that are great for smaller and larger groups.
That's what I love about it. Like for me and my husband, Joe, I love the fact that this could now be dinner for two, right? So I already did like our shrimp and veggies in one. So I do two of those, and then I do my fruit in the other two. So I've done an entree, I've done a dessert, and everything's outside, and here's all I have to clean up. Just four of these. Just hand wash it, right? Just let it dry. Don't put this in the dishwasher because of the wood. And then it's easy breezy. But the construction is second to none. This is just an amazing, amazing piece.
Thank you, my friend. Thanks for bringing it to the show. And Lisa, we'll see you back in just a little bit.
Bye, Mare.
Yay! Thank you so much. See you soon. Hey, she's coming back with a quiche pan. You could